Like yeah. Gaza. Oi! Yeah, people, pitney. From the young, the old, and sickly. Yeah. Yo, this is Jamaica. Yeah, so we see Jamaica fully out, fully excited. I support Brazil on my side, that you hear? And you know, we see a bag of thing I talk and a bag of thing I say. You get me I say? Like people forgot who Brazil is and people forgot who Jamaica is. Even Jamaican themselves look like them forget about these things because Brazil have inspired us the most. They have been basically the only football team where inspired Jamaica. And when I say so, I talk from the nucleus. Zin, Brazil chose us before we even chose Brazil. Pele came here. Pele and his team came here just for the love of Jamaica and the support what them get from Jamaica. You get what I say? Yeah, Pele them pick us. And that is, you see the similarity with Jersey. I'm telling you about signs and align with the time. Zin, for them Jersey similar to us. It's a sign. We're connected with Brazil. We're tropical like Brazil. We're part of the North America like Brazil, right? Yes, so a lot of similarities we have like Brazil. You see me, Brazil, them a gangster country, you know, them not play nice, you know. Just like Jamaica, we are the #1 murderous island country per capita. You see me? Brazil wicked too. So we're good like Brazil and we're bad like Brazil. You get me I say? Shout out to Pele. Yo, I hate when people want shit on the legends who were first and who brought this thing. You know, I see people that try use Messi and Ronaldo for beat around Pele and Maradona. I don't even care much about Maradona because he was a drug addict, right? So Pele is the one who rate the most. But respect to Maradona too. You know what I mean? Because he's not the one who made drugs or taught us how to make drugs. You know? So drugs are something that they made to bring us apart and to ruin our life. You know what I mean? So it's just unfortunate that a lot of us fall to the abuse of the drugs. Some serious hard drugs, you know what I mean? Not like these buds. These are buds. This ain't drugs. You see what I say? So shout out to Brazil. Shout out to Jamaica. We have to continue to show love and support to Brazil 100 because that is gratefulness, gratitude. And that with dirty Jamaican and a lot of people in the world now, you know. They are not grateful. They don't know how to be grateful. I see a little weird girl come on the internet where I talk about, I think Chris Genius highlighted her and give her some highlight on him page. And she's talking about why Jamaica is choosing Brazil over Haiti. You know what I mean? Like, these are the dunce people who ask dumb shit, who say some dumb shit, and they think that they're making sense. You know what I mean? Like, you got to know your past before you know the future. Waste girl. I forgot find her too, that Chris Genius. And Chris Genius, him not so smart, you know, if you take the genius off him name too, you know. You get me I say? Because him not know the history where Brazil and Jamaica, the connection where we have, you know. You see me? Pele came here to Jamaica for show love to Jamaica. He had tied and made a bond with Jamaica, the Pele Brazil football team. You get me I say? Pele and the Brazil football team came here and they made a bond, almost like a ritual with Jamaica, right? That Pele made nowhere else it seemed in the world. The bond that he had made here in Jamaica with the Brazil team, right? They made that bond with no other else country it seems. Because much I hear about it. They enough of you don't know the friggin' history. And then you come talk about we should support Haiti over Brazil. Haiti never inspired us to learn how to play a ball like Brazil, you dumbass. You see what I say? If Haiti had influenced us to play football that well and to have the love that we have for it over the decades, then we would love Haiti when it comes to football. You get what I say? We love Haiti when it comes to taking a stand against foreign nationalists and government, right? We always support Haiti on that. because Jamaicans are coward. Like Andrew and these politicians who we have over the years, well, most of them, not all of them. You know? So I love this, seeing Jamaica really supporting Brazil, seeing the youth them of today saying Brazil, because remember say them youth you have today, you know. Them always attend for fall off from where them prior generation I say, you know, the previous generation. Them nowadays generation yeah, seems to always take a different route from where the previous generation like us been on. You know, so when we see these nowadays generation still up on the Brazil lane, look at the crowd of young people. This make my heart warm. I love that. You know, and some of them may not be Brazil supporter, but what? Brazil is driving the crowd. Brazil is driving both supporters and non-supporters down one path, and we love that. Them deserve it. Brazil deserves our respect more than any other team when it comes to football. You know what I mean? And we need, as Jamaicans, we need to learn how to extract the love what we have for Brazil from football, and learn how to place that love for the Brazilians when it comes to loving them generally, and not just loving their Brazilian here, and not just loving their way of the playing the game, the football. You know, Jamaicans would need to extract the love what we have and spread it all about for Brazil. You know what I mean? When at Haiti time, Haiti will get their love from Jamaicans, you know what I mean? And you have to understand, people must have a great level of understanding why we have that connection with Haiti and that bad reputation and bad connection with Haiti. We must have an understanding, right? We were told a long time ago that Haiti has been involved in voodoo, you know, and Jamaica 50 years ago, we were never of that. The majority of us, we had rebuked any voodoo and term and saying of voodoo. So that is why we're not connected to Haiti. And I don't care if you want to say that we were deceived and we were brainwashed into believing that voodoo is wrong and it's our power. And, you know, I don't care what you want to say. I don't need voodoo in my life. I don't need to work any magical. We have the universe and God, a creator, to do all the magic, right? Yes, we don't need no voodoo. So don't tell me that we should love Haiti and respect them because of voodoo. No, give me something else to love and respect them for. You know what I mean? That is what I'm saying. But as I said before, that we love and respect Haiti when it comes to them taking a stand against foreign nationalists. You know what I mean? It's sad how they had killed their own prime minister over there, or president, whatever. You know, and I don't like those news. And you may want to say that, oh, he was corrupt. You know what I mean? I don't know, but it just looks bad. A lot of time I threaten to analyze Andrew Holness too. You know, I think he deserves it more than any other leaders in the world. You know what I mean? Because there he has, he's attempting to bring in 10,000 criminals now and more. 25 foreign criminals every 2 weeks. So we're going to hear what the crowd. This is the celebration here in Jamaica because Jamaica defeat Haiti. What was the score again? Or was it 1-0? 1-0 for Brazil. And we have the Billboard selector, Boom Boom. He is venting his frustration against the Brazilian fans here in Jamaica. And him not have much sense, you know. Because we see him go on the same way a gallop for alkaline and a bag of man. And you see me I say? RT them, boom boom. Him is the worst. Because him give RT boss a pass for going a war with Quick Cook. We sacrifice blood, sweat, and tears over the years for dancehall. That's why I'm telling you, you know, World Boom. You know who them, you see the youth name Atabal, him say a killer them fight him out. And them use Boom Boom and give Boom Boom Atabal space. Because Atabal name they call up as the big selector, you know, 07, 08. And I saw come them thing there. And that's so Atabal say, them fight out. A Bunty fight him out. Because him cool with Bunty and Beanie. Bunty no like how him cool with Beanie after I'm cool with him. So you see me I show you. You see who no want unity all along. See? So watch out now. I could go to the Boom Boom and hear what Boom Boom have to say. And fix him business for him. All who keep secret for him. Come go the M16 to him. Buckler. Yeah.
Brazil fans, wanna calm down, man. I hate to beat. I'm not going like a couple, we're not going like a Liverpool in a beat or Real Madrid or PSG.
Yo, him not know where I say, you know, because celebration, a victory is a victory. You see me? Them could have lose too. Any big side can lose by any small side. So, well, make pull it up back and hear what I say.
Brazil fans, wanna calm down, man. I hate to beat. I'm not going like a couple, we're not going like a Liverpool in a beat or Real Madrid or PSG or Barcelona. I hate to beat. Jeez, I'm so desperate for a win. We not roll, we not make beer like a people head, a beat bad cover, a beat on the place like, I don't work up on a win, I hate to beat.
So, him no know say, I saw Jamaica, him no know say, I saw we celebrate from a long time. A beat pad cover, long time we had do that. Then, I'm soon find the girl and fix her too, you know, because she said some things when right, you know. You see me? I want my picture the freeze. Well, it look like my picture freeze. Michael go forward to boom boom.
Brazil fans, wanna calm down, man. I hate to beat. I'm not going like a couple, we're not going like a Liverpool in a beat or Real Madrid or PSG or Barcelona. I hate to beat. Jeez, I'm so desperate for a win. We not roll, we not make beer like a people head, a beat bad cover, a beat on the place like, I don't work up on a win, I hate to beat. You calm down, man, calm the fuck down, man. Calm down, man. You not want to find a hate to beat, I run up and down, I jump that gully. Brazil fans in the calm down, brother. Anyway, I'm there. See in Canada? Yeah. Flight was boring because the internet nobody on the plane.
Yeah, but people, so the one boom boom, I love Canada, man. I war with the man Canada, sir. I might play still too, you know. You see me? Mississauga, Ontario, you know how we go, how we roll. You see me? Shout out to Clarkson Secondary, my school that. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Hillside Junior High, my school that. So no don't play with me intelligence. Me intelligence, a foreign, me get it high in the sky. The land above Jamaica. You see me? Yeah, bless up Canada and all Canadians. Big up Drake, the sixth god. You see what I say? Big up Squash Boss, the second six, Jamaican six. Big up Drake as the Toronto six. Big up Fulio as Jacksonville American six. You see what I say? So that's the 3 6s. Yeah, Squash, Fulio, and Drake. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, so we gonna see the video why World Boom, the Boom Boom selector here, Jamaican #1 selector them say. Then we gonna see why he came out venting his frustration against the commotion of the Jamaican celebrating the victory of Brazil defeating Haiti. 1-0 it seems. Okay? Yeah, people, and you know this is why it's important. Why I'm teaching the whole alignment and you know the signs and wonders of the time, because this is here now happening in Jamaica, right? Last night. So we're very active when it comes to celebrating Brazil win and celebrating the World Cup, because a lot of Jamaicans have other team that they prefer. You know what I mean? Different from Brazil. So similarly, and apart from our celebration and celebrating this heavy in the streets of Jamaica over a football game, right? The World Cup, the Brazil team. Okay, so similarly and separate apart from this, we've just seen the New York Knicks, the New Yorkers came out heavy in the street supporting the victory of the Knicks, defeating the Spurs. Is it San Antonio Spurs? Sacramento. Yeah, Sacramento Spurs, right? And New York Knicks. So shout out to Patrick Ewing because I did a vlog and cover a vlog about him and a new player that was selected and drafted in the NBA on the New York Knicks team, right? I don't remember his name, but you can find the vlog, okay? And he's Jamaican, just as Patrick Ewing is, because Patrick Ewing had left Jamaica when he was 12, right? And he made it there in basketball. He was the best at his school, best on the team. He made his name in the era of Michael Jordan. That's nothing light. That's no light work. That's some heavy shit right there. So we've seen the heavy celebration and commotion being made by the New Yorkers the other day. And I'm very proud of them, proud for them. I'm very happy that New York Knicks came and took the victory. But it's not done because next year they'll be under pressure. They would want to defend that title, that championship title, so it's always problem. Just as how there's always problem when you look at the success at Vybz Kartel and you would expect that everyone would be happy for him. But no, the more he is awarded and the more he receives and is blessed by God, is the more demon and evil people come against him. So that's just how winners and the situation of being a winner is. Brazil have a lot of fans. A lot of hateful fans, just as our celebrities who are the best, Yeah. So we have a next slide to look at. Okay. Here we go.
What are you doing, bad man? Get them out. What are you doing, bad man? Get them out. Lad. Down the road.
Look at that little kid riding a bike.
You see them?
A scooter.
7 10.
Never. I'm out. What are you doing, bad man? Get them out. What Brazil are doing, bad man? Get them out. Love it.
Down the road.
Love it. Love it. Love it.
See them. 7 10. Them are on the team.
Yeah, but people, so you see that? Vybz Kartel, you see that? I just talk about Vybz Kartel. Never expected for someone to be reciting Vybz Kartel line and lyrics in the video about Brazil. So there you see it, the connection. And I said this in my video in Beanie Man live that I had covered. Beanie Man and Camille, his Superwoman, was at a football match with Brazil, their first match. And I made a statement saying that Vybz Kartel is similar to the likes of a Brazil team. Their success, their career, their history, similar to Vybz Kartel. Sometimes Brazil, they go away and come back. We need Brazil to win this year World Cup because they are in the lead. Brazil, they win the World Cup the most out of anybody else. Brazil has won the World Cup title 5 times. No one else have won the World Cup 5 times. Brazil is the leading winner of the World Cup. So why shouldn't Jamaica celebrate Brazil? Like, why should we choose a loser over a winner because Haiti is black? I don't know. Is that it? Because Haiti is probably closer to Jamaica? Is that it? You know what I mean? We are not influenced by Haiti when it comes to football. So sorry to say, and that is dunceness when you listen to these people talking about why Jamaicans prefer and support Brazil over Haiti. They should support Haiti over Brazil. Dumbass. Some people need a smack in the face to wake up. You know what I mean? Yeah, let's go find that chick and that dunceness. Okay, let's go find that.